let's see here. Yes, a little wider, please. Oh, good. Interesting. Oh, very interesting.
What?
He has the hiccups.
I know that. How can I get rid of them?
Well, the truth is, Toadhog, hiccups just have to go away by themselves. But it's nothing to worry about.
Well, that's terrific, but all our traffic lights still have no power. And Toadhog's the only one who can fix it.
Well, unless you know another way to power the lights, you'll just have to wait until Toadhog's hiccups go away.
Another way. That's it. Come here. On, everybody. I have an idea.
What are you doing hanging around like that, Toadhog? Get it? Hanging around?
Hanging around. Oh, that's very funny.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Hiccup! Hiccup! Hiccup!
Voila!
Hiccup!
Hiccup power. Or another way to fix the lights.